Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. In this tutorial, let's create a stunning Instagram follow button animation. Let's start by creating a new vertical composition. Next, draw a rectangle using the Rectangle tool, Q key, and round its edges by adjusting the roundness property in the shape layer. Open the rectangle's scale property S shortcut, unlink the scale values, and add a keyframe at the 2-second mark. Set the vertical scale to 0 at 0 seconds. To smooth the animation, select the keyframes, right-click, choose Easy Ease, F9, and adjust the motion graph in the graph editor, Shift plus F3. Duplicate the rectangle layer, Ctrl+D/Command+D, turn off the fill, and apply a 2-pixel stroke. Create a solid layer, Ctrl+Y/Command+Y, with a light color for the background. Duplicate the main rectangle again, change its color to a darker shade for the shadow effect, and adjust its position slightly to mimic a shadow. To design the follow button, repeat the same process. Draw a new rectangle, duplicate it, change the second layer to shadow, duplicate it again for a stroke-only version, and animate the scale of all 3 layers using keyframes and smooth graph adjustments. Import the Instagram logo. And place it in the timeline. Position and scale it appropriately by adjusting the scale property S shortcut. Draw a rounded rectangle as the logo background, match its size to the logo, and apply the same shadow and stroke duplication process. Animate the scale of all layers, ensuring smooth transitions. Add a text layer. Center its anchor point. Control plus Alt plus Home / Command plus Option plus Home. Place it on the button and animate its scale for a dynamic reveal. Import the Instagram QR code image. Mask it. Position it over the button and animate its scale property for smooth entry. Finally, enable the motion blur switch for all layers to enhance the animation's smoothness. Preview the animation by pressing the spacebar. Once satisfied, export the animation. Your Instagram follow button animation is now ready. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. See you in the next video.